This aircraft came about as a result of a tri-service. And it was given this incredibly distinctive twin boom design which enabled cargo or paratroopers to be dropped from the removable rear fuselage, and it also conferred better single engine performance. This aeroplane had big advantages over smaller forward air control and battlefield reconnaissance types like the O-2 that we've just seen. It was much faster, so it could reach the operating areas more quickly, and it was able to cruise at higher altitudes out of range of small arms. But yet it was still easy to maintain, and as we've seen already, it was superbly agile. Bronco entered service in time for a great deal of duty in Vietnam. Congressional Medal of Honor for his sacrifice on a fire control mission involving US Navy ships. He was diverted to support some American troops who were under attack by North Vietnamese infantry. His Bronco was hit by an SA-7 surface-to-air missile, and he had to ditch a very hazardous operation in an OV-10. Bennett lost his life, although the Marine Corps forward air controller backseater managed to get out. That's just one of 81 Broncos lost in Vietnam.